Hello friends, welcome to my channel UN Tech World. On this video, we are discussing about basic computer awareness question and answer for various type of competitive examination. You must watch the video till the end. Question number 1. How many bits in a byte? Option A 8, option B 10, option C 16, option D 255. The right answer is option A 8. You can see the right side picture. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Question number 2. Which would you have to upgrade to install an EIDE drive? RAM BIOS, option B A286 CPU, option C controller board, option D ISA motherboard. The right answer is C controller board. The controller board EIDE cable is mentioned in right side of the picture. Question number 3. Common is typically represented by which of the following? Option A 15-pin port, option B 9-pin male port, option C 9-pin female port, option D 25-pin male port. The right answer is 9-pin male port. The male port diagram is mentioned in right side and pin configuration also mentioned. Question number 4. How can you totally protect a PC from damage during an electrical storm? Option A. Disconnect the AC power cable. Option B. Disconnect all external cables and power cords. Option C. Use a surge protector. Option D. Turn off AC power. If the right answer is you can disconnect the AC power cable from the socket, you can protect your PC. Question number 5. You are about to install a second IDE hard drive in a PC that has only one IDE adapter. Your first hard drive will still be the boot drive. How should the second drive be configured? Option A as a master, option B as a secondary, option C as a slave, option D as a primary. Most of all, the first hard drive is a master, but you want to connect the second hard drive, it will work as a slave. The slave, you can see the picture, the jumper will you can replace from master to slave. Nowadays the IDE hard drives are not in use. We are using SATA drives. Question number 6. What would you ask to determine if the display is working? A. Is there a video cursor or action on the screen? Option B. Did the computer beep or chime? Option C. Is there high voltage static on the screen? Option D. All of the above. The right answer is D. All of the above. Question number 7. You can place an ISA device in a EISA slot. Is it right or true or wrong? Is false. The right answer is true. You can place ISA device in EISA slot on your motherboard. Question number 8. How is ink transferred a paper in common inkjet printer? Option A. Boiling ink. Option B. Crystal. Option C. Motorized pump. Option D. Screens deflect ink on the paper into the proper position. The right answer is B. Crystal. Question number 9. Type 1 PC cards. A. Are used only in desktops. Option B. Are on longer being produced. Option C. Are the thinnest of the PC cards, and option D is don't exist. The right answer is are the thinnest of the PC cards. The type 1 PC card is on always thinnest PC cards. Question number 10. What do you call a computer on a network that requires files from another computer? Option A as a client, option B a host, option C a router, and option D a web server. The right answer is a client. Every computer will connect to the server by as a client. Question number 11. The DC voltage on most circuit board is minus 12 volt, option B 0 volt, option C plus 5 volt, and option D is plus 12 volt. Most of the circuit boards is operating on plus 5 volt. Is the right answer C plus 5 volt. Question number 12. The power is on but the printer will not print. What can you do to correct the problem? Option A, make sure the printer is online. B, replace the AC line fuse. C, turn the printer on and off. Option D, replace the ribbon. Right answer is make sure the printer is online. Question number 13. The main computer that stores the files that can be sent to computer that are networked together is option A, clipboard, option B, motherboard, option C, peripheral, option D, file server. The right answer is D, file server. You can see the picture. The computer and server will be connected by HTTP to save the data from file servers. Question number 14. Which is not an internet protocol? HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol, FTP, file transfer protocol, STP, and option D, IP, internet protocol. The right answer is STP. It is not an internet protocol. Question number 15. What can you use to ensure power is not interrupted, resulting in corrupted data? Option A, UPS, option B, proper grounding, option C, surge protector, option D, sag protector. Right answer is A, UPS. Question number 16. .tmp extension refers usually to what kind of file? Option A, compressed archive file, option B, image file, option C, temporary file, option D, audio file. The .tmp is always mentioned on the temporary file. Option C is the right answer. Question number 17. In the DOS memory model, the high memory area HMA is the dash memory. A, last 64K of conventional, option B, last 64K of extended, option C, first 64K above conventional, option D, first 64K of extended. The right answer is D, first 64K of extended. Question number 18. Computer calculate numbers in what mode? Option A, decimal, option B, octal, option C, binary, option D, none of the above. The computer is always calculate by binary numbers. It's understand 0 or 1. It is the right answer, C, binary. Question number 19. Modem stands for option A, modulation, demodulation, option B, monetary devaluation exchange mechanism, option C, memory demagnetization, option D, Matari demacration. The right answer is A, modulation and demodulation. The modulation means analog signal is converted to digital, and demodulation is digital signal is converted by analog. That is 0 and 1 and 1 and 0. It is called as a modulation and demodulation. Question number 20. Which device uses a DMA channel? Option A, modem, option B, network card, option C, sound card, option D, none of the above. The right answer is C, sound card. Question number 21. Which common bus specification provides the fastest data transfer rate? Option A, VL bus, option B, ISA, option C, PCI, and option D, none of the above. The right answer is C, peripheral component interconnect, option C. Question number 22. In ROM BIOS, the acronym BIOS stands for option A, basic intuitive output set, option B, basic input organizational system, option C, basic input output system, option D, basic industry operating system. The right answer is C, basic input output system is called an BIOS. Question number 23. How many DMA channels are there in an AT class PC? Option A, 8, option B, 7, option C, 4, option D, 3. The right answer is 8. Question number 24. You see the message invalid media device after installing a new hard drive. What do you do next? Option A, format, option B, F disk, option C, partition, option D, add the OS. The right answer is an format. Question number 25. You have a 15-pin female connector with the pins in 2 rows. What should you connect with this? A, serial device, B, parallel device, C, MIDI device, and D, joystick. The right answer is an joystick. Question number 26. IDE cables have how many pins? A 25, B 40, C 50, D 100. The IDE pin having 40 pin connectors. Nowadays the 40 pin cable is not in use. Question number 27. An IRQ allow interface card to A. Interrupt the CPU to request service, B. Pass data to the CPU to be processed, C. Pass data from one card to another, D. Pass data to the computer's memory. The right answer is interrupt the CPU to request service. IRQ is mentioned for interrupt request. Question number 28. What is the file extension used to Windows 95 to backup registry file when Windows starts? .dat, option B .dao, option C .bak, option D .tmp. The right answer is .dao. Question number 29. What type of installation requires a special boot disk? A. NFS, B. FTP, C. PCMCIA, D. All of the above. The right answer is A. NFS, non-file system. Question number 30. An anti-static strap uses a small dash to make sure you do not become the last path of resistance to the ground. A. Capacitor, B. Diode, C. Transistor, D. Resistor. The right answer is an resistor. You can see the image on mentioned. Question number 31. Which monitor would provide the highest level of performance? A. VGA, B. XGA, C. CGA, and D. SVGA. Super Video Graphic Array. The SVGA is the right answer. Question number 32. Which type of cable is most likely in use with RJ45 connectors? A. 10-2, B. 10-5, C. 10-T, or D. 10-F. The right answer is C. 10-T. RJ45 connector configuration of type A and type B is mentioned in the color coding of the cables. Question number 33. Several computers linked to server to share program and storage space is called dash. A. Network, B. Grouping, C. Library, or D. Integrated system. It is called, and right answer is network. Question number 34. Which controller would support an external CD-ROM drive? Option A. ESDI, B. ARLL, C. MFM, and D. SCSI. The right answer is SCSI. Question number 35. What component would most likely cause a parity error? A. Bad hard disk, B. Bad controller, C. Bad RAM, D. Bad software. The parity error always mentioned on bad RAM. Question number 36. What command is used to reset a modem when using B dash? A. ATR, B. ATZ, C. DTR, and D. DC. The right answer is B. ATZ. The ATZ command initializes the modem and returns all status setting to their default values. Question number 37. Which provide the fastest data access time? A. RAM, B. ROM, C. CD-ROM, D. hard disk. The right answer is A. RAM, random access memory. Question number 38. Common is typically represented by which of the following? A. 15-pin port, B. 9-pin male port, C. 9-pin female port, D. 25-pin male port. The right answer is 9-pin male port. Question number 39. The computer processor consists of the following parts: A. CPU and main memory, B. Operating system and application, C. Hard disk and floppy drive, and D. Control unit and ALU, arithmetic logic unit. The right answer is D. Control unit and arithmetic logic unit. Question number 40. A 25-pin female connector on a back of your computer will typically be a serial port, B. A parallel port, C. Docking, and D. COM2 port. The right answer is A. Parallel port. Question number 41. UART is a type of serial chip. Its letters stand for Unidirectional Access Regarding Transmission, B. Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter, C. Upper Advanced Real Transfer, D. Enable all restored T bits. The right answer is B. Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter is called UART. Question number 42. Every video card must have A. CMOS, B. RAM, C. CPU, D. None of the above. Every video card is always having their separate RAM to boost their performance of graphics. Question number 43. A hard disk is divided into tracks which are further subdivided into A. Cluster, B. Sector, C. Vectors, D. Heads. The right answer is sectors. The image is mentioned by sectors. Question number 44. Which of the following is a type of preventative maintenance used on a hard drive? A. Disk check diagnostics, B. Head alignment diagnostics, C. Initializing, D. Uninstalling programming. The right answer is disk check diagnostics. Question number 45. The buffer statement is found in what file? A. config.sys, B. autoexe.ncf, C. autoexe.bat, D. neb.cfg. The right answer is config.sys. Question number 46. The DC voltage on most circuit board is -12 volt, B 0 volt, C 5 volt, D plus 12 volt. The right answer is C plus 5 volt. Question number 47. You suspect a virus has entered your computer. What will not be affected by the virus? A. CMOS, B. boot sector, C. floppy disk, D. program file. The virus is always affect your boot sector. Floppy disk is a storage device, it will be transferable, and program files will corrupt your program files, but the CMOS is not affected. The right answer is CMOS. CMOS is a complementary metal oxide semiconductor. Question number 48. RTS stand for A. ready to start, B. ready to switch, C. request to send, and D. request to scan. The right answer is request to send. Question number 49. RS-232 is a standard that applies to A. serial port, B. parallel port, C. game ports, D. network. The right answer is A. serial ports. Question number 50. In ROM BIOS, the BIOS stand for Basic Intuitive Output Set, B. Basic Input Organizational System, C. Basic Input Output System, and D. Basic Industry Operating System. The right answer is Basic Input Output System. Dear friends, this is the end of our part 2 MCQs. If you are not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and share to your friends or friend. If you have any doubt, kindly text me on the comment box. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.